fleet managers. Leveraging technology can slash your fuel costs. Want to know more? Download our guide for 80 proven strategies and tech solutions designed to maximize your fuel efficiency.
This week's CCJ Tech Shorts highlights 2 trucking tech companies' moves to ease compliance burdens, a new fleet maintenance application, more Agentic AI deployments, and an insurance telematics partnership. Welcome to CCJ Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's tech editor, Angel Coker-Jones. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. BeyondTrucks, provider of a platform for AI-powered truck dispatch planning and management, has partnered with vehicle licensing consultants, the provider of DQM Connect and GW Connect. The partnership aims to help fleets integrate driver, equipment, and compliance information into the BeyondTrucks dispatch workflow, giving dispatchers timely visibility into whether a driver and vehicle meet a fleet's requirements before a load is assigned. The integration connects operational decisions in BeyondTrucks with driver qualification information from DQM Connect and equipment compliance information from GW Connect. ProBuilt Software has rolled out a new compliance system within ProBuilt TMS. Beyond document storage, expiration tracking, and safety event records, the system connects driver applications, FMCSA due diligence, road testing, prior employer inquiries, dispatch, claims, and disciplinary action in one platform. The online application portal links to a carrier's website. There, applicants can upload CDL and medical card images and provide all information required by FMCSA. Additionally, safety personnel can document MVR, PSP, and UA reviews, road tests, and prior employment requests for information, including efforts to obtain safety and performance information. Road tests can be completed through the ProBuilt TMS mobile app, with certificates issued directly to drivers. The system also manages cargo claims, incidents, and accidents. Drivers can submit events through the ProBuilt DRV mobile app, and safety personnel can request driver statements through the app. Records can include details, costs, documents, photos, chargebacks, and disciplinary action. Mobile fleet maintenance company Coltrain Onsite Fleet Care has launched a field service application that digitizes the preventive maintenance inspection process. It's called SHIELD, which stands for Service History, Inspection, Evaluation, Labor, and Documentation. It captures the data behind every inspection point, including tire PSI readings, tread depths, brake measurements, and steering play values, all recorded as real numbers, not pass-fail indicators. Photos are captured throughout the inspection, creating a complete visual record alongside the data, giving fleet managers a precise, verifiable snapshot of each unit's condition at the time of service. Each completed inspection generates a clean service record tied to the unit's VIN, the date of service, and the name of the technician who performed it. Alvys, a TMS built for freight carriers, brokers, and hybrid carrier brokers, has introduced Alvys Foundry, an agentic AI platform that lets freight teams deploy AI agents within the TMS. Foundry offers customers 3 paths to adoption: agents that customers build themselves, pre-built agents, or custom agents built by Alvys. The platform sits atop Alvys's existing data infrastructure, more than 120 integrations, native EDI connections to hundreds of shippers, and a SOC 2 compliant security foundation. It builds on AI already running throughout the platform, including the Insights AI chat and report builder, the Intel real-time weather and load alerts feature, and AI-assisted load creation. Alvys also maintains enterprise agreements with model providers, so customer data is not used to train public models. Foundry includes Agent Shield, a governance layer that logs agent activity, keeps actions traceable, and routes high-impact decisions for human approval. GPS fleet tracking and safety tech company Linxup has joined a commercial auto insurance managing general agency in a partnership that allows operators to order and deploy required telematics hardware as part of the insurance process. LEEO's commercial auto policies are built around strong telematics standards, including vehicle tracking and dash cameras, to help fleets operate more safely. The partnership connects LEEO policyholders directly to Linxup's telematics bundle at discounted partner rates. This enables customers to move through the telematics and insurance processes together, rather than separately researching and vetting a provider on their own. That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.